Welcome to this WordJack video on how to format your email campaign in MailChimp. Once you've created a new campaign, given it a name, list, subject line, etc., it's time to design how the campaign will actually look. And you have three main options. One is to start with one of these standard frames. Two is to choose from one of these pre-designed template themes. And the third option is to select a campaign that you've used before to use as a template. Whatever method you choose, the way you'll add images, change text, and edit everything are the same. So for this tutorial, we're going to use a theme from MailChimp's pre-designed templates. Before you get started, it's a good idea to have a Word document with your main message ready to go, as well as a folder with some images ready for adding to the campaign. To start, simply choose a template that looks like it would be a good fit for your content and your brand. We're going to choose this one called Soft. And now we're taken to the editor, where we can scroll over each section of the email and see the editing options pop up. We can rearrange each section, edit, duplicate, or delete. We'll start by editing the logo. Click on the pencil icon here, and then on the right, click Replace. Here we can choose from things we've uploaded in the past or upload a new image by selecting Upload. So I've uploaded a new image, but I've received a warning that the file size is not ideal for email. So we can click Let's Fix It. Keep the width and height locked, and insert in a smaller width number. About 600 will be good here. And then click Save. Now it might look the same on the template, but its file size is now much less and will load much quicker and smoother for your viewers. So let's move on to the title, where again, we'll click Edit. Here we can copy and paste our text into the editor. And much like any text editor, you can highlight desired text and choose between different header styles and formats. You'll be able to see the changes taking place on the left. Once you've applied the right look, make sure you delete the old text or template text and click Save and Close. And now you'll do the same for the body or your main message. Then we'll want to update this image, and this is done the same way we updated the logo image above, simply clicking Replace and then uploading a new image. This button section of the template we actually don't want, so we'll simply click the trash can icon, and then confirm that yes, I do want to delete it. What we do want at the bottom is a Buy Now button, so from the Content tab, we'll drag a normal button onto the template. We'll delete this template's Sign Up Now button because we don't want that one. And when we click the edit icon on this button, we'll be able to apply where we want this button to link to. For this example, we'll link it to this WordJack page. If you don't like the default blue color, you can change that in the Advanced Settings area. And finally, for a little finishing touch, we'll drag this divider here to create some space between the image and the button. Now that we have our content how we want it, we'll go back to the top and edit the short preview box at the top. This is important because this bit of text will appear in people's inboxes as a preview before they open the email. So we want to make sure that the text here is appealing so as to grab the viewer's attention, but it should not just repeat the subject line. To do that, we'll click the edit icon. We'll paste in the first line of our main content. This is usually good, but if you'd like to get more creative here, you certainly can. You may also want to add social icons at the bottom, and if you do, make sure you update each link to go to your profile pages appropriately. So once you're all set, you'll want to preview and test your campaign. Under Preview and Test at the top, click on Enter Preview Mode, and there you'll be able to see how it will appear to your recipients. You'll also want to click Mobile to make sure nothing is out of order or alignment there. To exit this mode, just click the X at the top right. This editing process of selecting and swapping out text, images, and other content on the page is the same if you choose a MailChimp theme, a basic layout, or one of your previous campaigns. Next is where MailChimp will take you through the final options and confirmations before you officially launch your campaign. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact your WordJack marketing manager.